Welcome to the brightest world of all. Let's explore 20 sunny yellow friends. The tiny chick is so fluffy. And the little duckling loves the water. The canary sings a happy song. And the yellow Tang swims in the ocean. The honeybee is busy working. And the dart frog is bright and bold. The boxfish is such a funny shape. And the butterfly is bright as the sun. The sun conure is so colorful. And the banana python is smooth, smooth, and yellow. The goldfinch is a little sun. And the cockatiel has a funny crest. The gecko has cute spots. And the goldfish is shining in the water. The lemon cichlid is so bright. And the clown Goby, is hiding in the coral. The scorpion is so cool. And the apple snail is moving slowly. The yellow ladybug is so pretty. And the ghost crab is walking on the beach. That was such a golden adventure. See you next time!